My female cat is in spade, and she's so bad when she's in heat. It's annoying. I know that they just get so much friendlier. Like, not even when they're honey, just in general. They're just much more friendly. Because they're not just thinking about, I have to get pregnant! I have to make babies non-stop. I have time to care about other things. Yeah. Babies! Yeah. The male cat is neutered and still goes for her. Yeah, but it's more like a dominance thing, I think, rather than a I have to make babies! It's more of a dominance thing. You're telling me if you had a wife, you wouldn't be... Never mind. We don't need to go that far. Don't smile at me. Look, okay, whether you're making babies or not, I think it's a thing that happens. The birds and the bees. Why is this? Why is this a thing? The birds and the bees. What are the birds and the bees doing? Like with each other? I don't like that. No. The birds and the bees together? I hope not. Birds symbolize the laying of eggs and birth. Yeah, but birds don't give birth. While bees represent pollination. A visible, simple analogy for fertilization. Ah, we got the little double dash. Thank you, ChatGPT.